Hello everyone. In this video, we are going to look at the different types of custom audience you can set up while you're starting your Meta campaign. The Meta dashboard gives you a lot of different custom campaign options depending on your requirement. So first we navigate to that particular section. So let's say once you are in your Meta dashboard, go to business settings. In business settings, the moment you choose your menu icon, you're going to have all these options displayed. And you need to go to this advertise section where you find the audience section. So select this audience section and then you will get into that particular page where it shows you the list of custom audience that you can actually work on. So here it gives you an audience. So we will, so it shows create a custom audience, create a lookalike audience, or create a saved audience. So we look at lookalike and saved audience in a different video. In this video, we are going to look at the different types of custom audience that you can actually choose from. So custom audience is very crucial in Meta campaigns because it helps you to identify the right kind of audience who have interacted with your assets in the past, or it helps you to use the Facebook's algorithm to target certain users, and it's a very powerful tool considering all the new smart campaigns and the Advantage Plus campaigns that is being evolved in the Meta platform. So let's look at the different kinds of options that we have. So there are two classifications. If you look at the custom audience source, you basically have two classifications. One is your source, which is from the assets that you have owned. And the second one is the meta source, which comes from the Meta platform. So this is more or like the input that goes from your end, and this is something that you don't own the data much, but the Meta itself takes the data from the assets that the customers have been using. Under the sources, you have an option website. So in this website, so because you do have a website, you would have your pixel installed over there. So you can actually target the users of that particular website. I mean, let's say whoever the visitors of the particular website who have visited your website in the past. This particular option, the tracking is valid for 365 days. So you can see you can actually track them for the past 365 days here. And second one is the customer list. Assuming you are an existing business, you might have a long list of customers who have purchased from you or who would have inquired from you. So you can upload this customer database and then you could actually target those particular users, which would be a very core quality audience for your business. App activity. Next is the app activity where you can target the users who have interacted with your app, assuming you have an app for your business. Offline activity. In India, it's not so prevalent, but in the Western countries, if you see if people have visited your store using geolocation, you can actually target them. So, which is usually useful for brick and mortar stores. Catalog. This is for people who have interacted with your catalog because you for e-commerce business there is an option of creating a catalog on the Meta, and people who have interacted with this catalog in the past through one of the ads can be retargeted. So these are the sources that you generally provide or through your assets for the Meta campaigns to target. So all these would help you create a custom audience that can be useful in the campaign's efficiency. The Meta source, you have video. So video is basically, let's say you used to run a video or you have posted a video on your page and you've got some viewers in it. So you can use this video option to target the users who have, let's say, watched more than 50% of the video or more than 75% of the video. Instagram account, anyone who has interacted with your Instagram account in the past 365 days can be targeted over here. Lead form, in case you have a lead form active on your any of the existing campaigns, many people would have interacted with the lead form or many people would have submitted lead forms over there. So you could target all of them using the lead form targeting. Events, let's say you have created an event page on your Facebook, and then you have promoted an event, so a lot of people would have interacted with that particular event page. So you could use that particular audience as a custom audience to target. Instant experience, so there's an option of creating a Canva kind of an ad on the Meta campaigns, which helps users have an instant experience. So that's called an instant experience campaigns. If you have run one of those campaigns, you can actually retarget them using the instant experience. Facebook page, you have a Facebook page, and anyone who have interacted with your Facebook page in the past can be used as an audience source. Shopping, so let's say assuming anyone who have interacted with your products in the shop in the shopping area before, because you have a shop option in both Instagram and Facebook. Maybe in India you have only the the Facebook shop option and not much of the Instagram shop option. So you can use this to create a audience group on Facebook listings, because you would have listed certain products directly on the on the Facebook page. You could target them, or you could create a group using this on-page listings, and then and you could target them through your next set of campaigns. Augmented reality, this is a fairly new section where any kind of campaigns or posts that is related to augmented reality could be tracked, and that particular set of audience could be used as a source. Now, we collect this audience from all these different types of sources. So these audience, let's say we collected from a website, or we collected from a video, or a Facebook page or Instagram account, all these would come under the audience source. And this audience set is called a custom audience source, because this is not a direct targeting method that you are using on Meta, but it is the target where you are defining it based on the sources that you have, or by using meta sources. So this audience sources are called the custom audience source, which is one of the most effective and crucial audience sources in Meta.